I got this press.
No, it's on.
Oh, come on.
Man, you find it, big dog.
Jesus. God, go to hell. I'm not helping you. God damn. Go to hell. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't come near me. No. Get away from me. Go away. All y'all gonna burn in hell. Watch.
How you feel?
Get away. Sleeping, y'all just gonna bust in and do some shit like that.
So nigga, so what was you thinking? What was you dreaming about?
What
you dreaming about?
Sleeping.
You dreaming about what?
All I can hear y'all busting out laughing all night long and shit.
Who is y'all?
Whoever y'all was doing over there.
This nigga done fell about 6 times in our room. Bro, why you gonna have to cover your feet and then put your hand in the camera? That is unsanitary.
Camera. Where Brianna at?
Downstairs?
Doing what?
So what was you dreaming about? Dreaming about gorillas, apes?
All of that.
Dreaming about how you gonna make my money?
What y'all been laughing at all this time?
The other one in the room being Cat Williams.
What is he doing?
Well, I'm about to dip out.
Yeah, so stupid. What you doing that for? He just busted me and jumped on me?
He didn't say what he wanted to hear, what he had to say. I've been shit recording.